back to another Little Hammer 26 video, and today I will be doing the Gatling the Busby, I think it's Busby, Gatling Gun review. So, just want to give one quick new, update. There won't be a lot of Call of Duty going on until I get this fixed. So, I make the video on Upload Studio, then I go into YouTube to upload it, and there's no upload button, and I'm like, so, until that's fixed, I think I have an answer, but until that's fixed, no Call of Duties will be coming out. So that's why you won't be seeing a lot of them. But, other than that, let's get straight in. So, here is the massive thing. I can't hold it all. There's the table back there. Here's the massive thing. Can't go like that. It spins like that when you fire it and stuff. Makes it look like it shoots out a bunch of different ones, but it only shoots out of this main orange tube right there. So the loading of it is, you gotta take the belt. Yes, it comes with a real belt. You gotta load it up with all of these darts. These darts, I mean, they are cross-compatible with Nerf. I'm not really so surprised. Like, there's a little bit of size difference, not much, but I don't know. I don't know why these are cross compatible, but they don't go as far as these when you shoot them. So I don't know, why can't they just make all around be around this dart? But whatever. Alright, so what you basically want to do is load this, I don't know what to call it, Busby dart thing up into here, and then you want to take this, you can do it any way that you want. I'd prefer to go over, and then there's gonna just be a bunch of belt clip things here, and I just put the one with the dart. Then you want to shut it, and when it's shut, it's not shut if this is back, it's shut if it's forward. And there's a revving up mode, and then there's a firing mode. So let's get right into the firing test. So here we're at the firing test, and this time we're just firing it. We're not doing the range technique. There you have it. And about how far here to the door. That's probably 5 feet, and it bounced high off the door. So yeah, that's just about it for the Gatling gun. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to smash on.